I just went and asked the employees and they changed some settings on my card. So now the tickets will go straight onto the card and we don't have to deal with the paper tickets anymore. So that's really good news. Okay.